I'm Kyler, and today I'm going to show you guys some new updates and features on some existing KAGE lawn products. So we're going to start with our deflector here. You may notice that it looks a little bit different, and that's because we now offer an aluminum flap. So it works the exact same, just a little bit stiffer. So just for comparison, this is the plastic compared to the aluminum. So the plastic is a little bit flexible. It has forgiveness. So if this were to be up and you were to hit something, this would hopefully just crack instead of ripping apart everything here. The reason that some guys would want the aluminum is it is a little bit more rigid. So if you were to hit this on something and it weren't to break the frame, then the deflector would still be fine, whereas this could potentially crack. On back here to the Wheel Kaddy, in the past, with 360 models, since they use smaller tires, there was very low ground clearance between the ground and the platform. So now we have adjustable axles on the side. So if you have a 360 model, you can move your axle lower to get increased ground clearance. So if you look down here, you can see these two bolts, and these are actually what hold the axles on. So right now the axles are in the lower position because we have a 360 model. Now with this new axle change, the 360 platform now has the same amount of clearance as the 500 and 250. These two different axle holes are 1.5 inches apart. That makes up for the difference between the 10-inch tire and the 13-inch tire from center to center. That makes these have the exact same amount of ground clearance.